Now the second coat has dried in, there's still moisture in the board, which is important. We can use the stone to test if there's any pigment coming off at all, which there's not, which is good because we need to introduce some more moisture now. We're going to put the Tadelakt polishing soap on. It's basically an olive soap, and it's an important stage because the proteins from the olive soap are going to react with the lime as it's setting to make that waterproof layer. So we're just going to start from the top, just apply a thin layer. Across the whole surface. And now we're going to wait for that to soak in. It'll make a nice white film over the top, and we'll know then it's ready to stone. Now you've probably had time for a cup of tea, and you come back, and the surface has taken on quite a dusty appearance, which means it's touch dry, and the soap's soaked into the surface. But we're now going to massage it in more with the stone. You want to move in small circles. You'll start to get a slight shine from using the stone, and the soap's doing its work. I'm just using the pressure of the stone, I'm not pushing too much. If you get to slightly more stubborn areas, then apply a little bit of pressure. Obviously along the top, any borders, you can move in straight lines. And then resume your circles. You'll be able to see a slight shine coming from the stone. I'm going to continue with this now. The board this size will probably take me about half an hour. As you can see now, we have quite a high sheen. I'm just going to demonstrate the waterproof qualities of Tadelakt. As you can see, the droplets ball up on the surface. It makes it a perfect alternative to tiles. Just a few tips for wall junctions. If you're joining an old or existing shower tray and an existing bath, things like silicone sealant don't adhere to Tadelakt very well. So you're better off finishing off with a tile edging strip, or you can put a border of tiles along the bath or along the shower tray and then Tadelakt from there upwards. Just want to say something about the aftercare and maintenance of your Tadelakt. It's important that you know and your clients know no abrasives, no bleach, no ammonia, most modern products. Your Tadelakt, once it's cured, will be quite a hard surface, so it's not going to be that easy to damage. But if you drop something like a glass bottle, it may cause a chip like this. We're then going to take a knife and we're going to chamfer the edges slightly. This just makes a larger surface area for the Tadelakt to grip to. Clean off any dust, and then we're going to take a small amount of product and just push it into the surface. Make sure the edges are all fully bonded, but leave the actual Tadelakt slightly proud, and then we'll come back when it's dry with the stone. As you can see now, the Tadelakt's dried in. It's taken about 10 minutes. A larger repair may take a bit longer to dry in, but now we're just going to compress the surface. So now it's smooth, and as before now, we'll put on some polishing soap, leave that to dry, burnish again with the stone. It may leave a scar, but on a surface like this, it shouldn't notice that much. My name's Matt, and I hope you really enjoy using your Tadelakt products.